guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be making 4 super cute mini slimes. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you guys aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, all of the slimes that I'm going to be making today are without using any glue. So for the first one, you're going to need Model Magic air dry clay and shaving foam. All I'm going to do is add the shaving foam to the clay and I'm going to knead them both together until the clay gets very soft and stretchy. As you guys can see, it made the clay very stretchy, it made it very soft and spreadable, so it's so much fun to play with. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of some blue food coloring. This is completely optional, but I just wanted mine to be a fun color. I'm going to top it off with some gold glitter, and there is the first mini slime all completed. For the second slime, the first thing I'm going to do is actually make a bowl for the slime. So for this, you're going to need a styrofoam ball, or you can also use a marble, and you're also going to need some air dry clay. I'm going to go ahead and roll out the clay. Then I have this cookie cutter and I'm going to cut out a circle. Now I'm basically covering the styrofoam ball with the clay, and this is basically going to give the clay a bowl-like shape. Because this is so small, it's only going to take like about 30 minutes to an hour to dry, and once the clay is dry, you just want to like cut the styrofoam ball and you can like pop it out. It's super easy to do. It will come off like in a minute basically. So now we have our clay bowl and you can decorate this however you like. I'm gonna go ahead and paint mine with some pink acrylic paint. And then I decided to add a cute face. There's nothing really new about this. So the bowl is pretty much done, and now we can start making the slime. The first thing you're going to need is some instant tack, and then you're also going to need some foaming hand soap. I'm dipping the tack into the foaming hand soap and I'm kneading them together, and you want to keep doing this until it gets very soft and stretchy, just how normal slime would be like. So this one isn't really as spreadable, but it is super stretchy as you guys can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this some color by adding some yellow food coloring. I just popped the slime into the clay bowl that we made, and there is the slime all completed. For the next one, I'm going to be making some mini no glue glitter slime. So for this, you're going to need a peel off face mask. This is the one that I'm using, and I'm going to pour that into my mini bowl. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the face mask does have a slight purple tint to it. I don't want the slime to be purple, so I'm just going to add a little bit of some red. To make this into glitter slime, you're of course going to need some glitter. So here I'm adding like a variety of different colors and shapes of glitters, and I'm going to mix it all in. And the final thing you want to do is activate your slime like you would do normally. And here is the slime all completed. For the final recipe, you're going to need Play-Doh and body lotion. So again, you want to do the same thing. You want to add the body lotion to the Play-Doh and you want to knead it in until it makes it very soft. So this one really isn't as stretchy like normal slime, but it is super spreadable and nonetheless it is fun to play with, so I thought I would share it with you guys. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one.